Hey guys, Eric from Momentum Options here. So I just wanted to load in Thinkorswim today and show you what it looks like when we profit using the Momentum Options trading system. So every week I share a weekly watch list. So that's down here. This is my weekly watch list that I shared last Sunday. And I recommend to users that every week you want to be connecting this watch list to our bearish scanners, to our stocks to trade scanners. This will let us know which of these assets are in the perfect conditions for trading using our system. So I had just reset this chart so it's nice and blank, and when I load up a 5-minute chart, you don't really see anything here other than what you're probably looking at. There's no real clear indication of when do we want to be getting in and out of our trades. Actually, SPY did not give a signal today, and it's not on our stocks to trade scanner at the moment. But we have a number of great setups that did play out from the stocks on this list. So let me go ahead and start pulling up these stocks. First, I'm going to go ahead and load my style. So I'm just going to load in my Orbi algorithm. And as you can see, this algorithm automatically plots our day. It lets us know when we want to be getting into our trades, where we want to be taking our profit, and exactly when we want to be closing our trades. And how that works is really simple. When we get the entry signal, we want to be getting in this trade. And as long as price stays above our yellow dotted line, we want to hold on until we get to these profit targets where we want to start locking in that profit. Now, at each target, I recommend taking about 50% of your trade, closing 50% of your trade, reduce that risk, lock in profit, and lock in those gains. That's what it's really all about, making money. We want to be locking in those gains as it shows up, not holding on for dear life, praying it's going to go to the moon, trying to get rich in any single one trade, because the real goal is to keep doing this day after day, week after week, and remain consistent. So like I said, there are a number of trades QQQ did not signal, and that's because we also have safety features built into this program. If price just shoots up beyond our first target, we don't want to be entering a trade after we are already supposed to be taking profit. So our algorithms will not signal you to enter trades when the risk versus the reward is no longer favorable. But as I said, there were a number of excellent trades that showed up on this list today, and it was really a great day in the market. It's a great Friday to close out the week. Apple, AMD, which actually right here, but a number of these stocks ran to multiple targets, and a number of these stocks, didn't even give signals, but they were in good conditions to remain bullish throughout the day. But we really want to be focusing on those stocks from this list that give us these signals. So I recommend that users set up a flexible grid with about 6 charts. And this enables us to just load up those charts with our price tools and wait for those signals so that we can enter, wait for the price to run in our favor to our targets. And again, if price closes on the other side of our yellow dotted line, we want to be closing those trades. So here's an example using Meta. Meta gave us our entry signal this morning, immediately ran really fast to multiple targets, 3 targets here, and this afternoon signaled to close our trade. Another great setup today was Microsoft. And the reason I want to mention Microsoft is because using this system, we also want to be focusing on potential swing trades. And Microsoft actually signaled an awesome swing trade just last week that's been on fire. And as you can see, we are hitting our 4th target today during this big move where we've already locked in considerable profits. Now, what do you do when you lock in that much profit and this stock is still signaling profitable trades, especially in day trades? Well, we want to take those profits, reinvest, and keep multiplying our money as this really strong asset keeps wanting to trend in our favor. So if you'd like to learn more about the Momentum Options trading system and how it works so that our users are able to execute trades with up to an 89% win rate and get in on some of the biggest and best moves the market has to offer, click below and watch the free training. Thanks.